Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. Here's the atmospheric river that's going to impact us over the next couple of days. Not necessarily for today, but especially late tonight and then into Wednesday. And then we'll have some more very active weather to deal with for Thursday as well. Just a few light showers along the coast for this morning. That's the way it's going to be for most of today as we put this into motion with Stormcast. This is right around lunchtime. This is right around dinner time. Yeah, still just a few showers along the coast, but the atmospheric river is going to hold off up until midnight. Then it's going to get that little kick to the east and down to the south, and that's when the rain is really going to start to pick up along the coast. And then overnight into Wednesday morning, this is 8 in the morning, it's going to be pretty widespread rain at this point, and we will have snow levels dropping throughout the day. More on that in a second, and you'll see some of the blue start to expand on the map, but pretty widespread wet stuff into Wednesday around lunchtime. Really the same thing for dinner time, but it's going to be after that where coverage will start to go down just a little bit, but then we'll have a pretty significant wave of moisture once again that we're expecting for Thursday. Here's some of the water totals we're expecting through Wednesday night, and so this isn't a complete picture of what we'll have from the atmospheric river, just given that we have another one coming for Thursday, much more potent as well, but yeah, pretty good indication of the distribution of the water. It's easily going to be the coast that'll hog up the bulk of this, but still the Illinois Valley could get upwards of an inch, maybe an inch and a half. Some pretty nice totals for the Rogue and Shasta valleys. Definitely a lot less impressive though for areas to the east of the Cascades. Snow levels are going to be way up there for today, you know, right around 8,500 feet, and also the bulk of the moisture is going to be offshore for today. Not too worried about snow for today is what I'm saying, but then into Wednesday, snow levels coming down to around 5,500 feet, and then into Thursday they could drop down to around 3,500 feet, which is why we're labeling Thursday as a high impact weather day. And we'll have more on that in a second, but here's some of the snowfall totals we're expecting through Wednesday night. Of course, we're going to have a lot more for Thursday, but we're expecting maybe upwards of another foot up towards Crater Lake. The bulk of the snowfall up to this point through Wednesday night is going to be above 5,500 feet. So for today, very mild. The bulk of the rainfall is going to be off the coast or immediately on the coastline. Winds today will gust out of the south and west between 20 to 25 miles per hour. They'll pick up a little bit overnight, gusting out of the south between 20 to 30 miles per hour, mainly out of the Rogue Valley. Then, of course, winter weather impacts going up for Thursday as snow levels go down. Here's some preliminary snowfall projections for Thursday. We're expecting another foot, maybe a foot and a half up towards Crater Lake, maybe a couple inches for Mount Shasta City. And to add insult to injury, winds are going to be pretty gnarly for Thursday as well, gusting between 40 to 50 miles per hour in our higher terrain. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Showers likely for today. Rain and thunderstorms looking likely for Wednesday and Thursday. For Siskiyou County, mostly cloudy and dry for today. Rain likely for Wednesday. Snow likely coming into the mix for Thursday. For the Basin, rain likely for Wednesday. Snow likely for Thursday. For the Cascades, pass travel is going to start to get very tough into Wednesday and especially into Thursday. And then for the Rogue Valley, mostly dry for today, then very active weather for Wednesday and Thursday.